Hello everyone, welcome to the Bodhi Academy. In today's video, we will learn about combustion reactions. So, the reactions in which the reaction between two substances including oxygen which are usually accompanied by generation of heat and light in the form of flame are called as combustion reaction. So let us see some of the examples of this kind of combustion reaction and understand it better. So these are some of the examples of combustion reaction. For example, calcium plus oxygen, we get calcium oxide. So let us try to perform it. So these are we'll add 2 moles of calcium in a beaker. So here the substance which we have added in the beaker is calcium. Its color is usually shiny silvery white. It is odorless. Its melting point is 842 degrees Celsius and the boiling point is undefined. Then it is written as Ca in a chemical reaction. Then we have to add oxygen. So we will add 1 mole of oxygen to it. Now since this reaction will need heat, okay, so we will turn on this burner and let this substances react. Now see here what happens. The 2 calcium atoms and the oxygen atoms will combine to give us 2 calcium oxide molecules. So this is the first reaction. Then second we have calcium plus chlorine, which will give us calcium chloride. Let us do this reaction. So first we have calcium again. Suppose we take 2 moles of calcium, then we will take chlorine. So this also will take 2 moles of chlorine. Now here the white structures or the white atoms are the calcium and these are the chlorine molecule. So we will heat the reaction and see here it will emit some light and heat, okay, in the form of flames. Now here the both the substances have reacted and we got 2 calcium chloride molecules. So here you can see the calcium is the white one, chloride is the green, and then this is the calcium chloride molecule. Then the next reaction which we have is carbon plus oxygen, which gives us carbon dioxide. So let us see. So we will take 1 mole of carbon and 1 mole of oxygen. So this is our carbon, the red one, and this is the oxygen molecule. Now we are applying heat. See, the reaction will emit light and heat energy in the form of flames. So with 1 mole of carbon and 1 mole of oxygen atom, we got a carbon dioxide molecule. Then another example is, we can take this example. So here what we have is, we have sodium. So Na is sodium. Its color is silvery white. It is odorless. Its melting point is 880 degrees Celsius and boiling point is 97.79 degrees Celsius. Then we have chlorine. So it is written as Cl2. The color is greenish yellow. It has a pungent odor. Its melting point is minus 101.5 degrees Celsius and boiling point is minus 34.4 degrees Celsius. So we will take 2 moles of or 4 moles of this Na. So here we have 4 moles plus 4 moles of chlorine. Now when these are our 4 moles of Na, you can see here these are the Na and these are the chlorine molecule. So they will give some heat to the reaction and they will react together to form, see here, they will form 4 molecules of NaCl, that is sodium chloride. These are orange and green molecules which are there. These are the 1, 2, 3 and 4 molecules of sodium chloride, and 2 are chlorine molecules which are the excess one, which did not bind to the sodium. Then another reaction that we have is this one last. So sulfur plus oxygen. So sulfur is written as S. It is yellow in color. It has a rotten egg kind of odor. The melting point is 444.6 degrees Celsius and boiling point is 115.21 degrees Celsius. Then oxygen is written as O2. It is colorless, odorless. Its melting point is 218.79 degrees Celsius, minus 218.79 degrees Celsius, and boiling point is minus 182.96 degrees Celsius. So here we will add 4 moles of sulfur and 4 moles of oxygen. So these are our atoms of oxygen and sulfur. See here, the blue ones are the oxygen molecules and the yellow ones are the sulfur. So we will provide the heat, and in the reaction there will be generation of heat and light in the form of flame. See, you can see here. So we will form what the molecule that is formed here is sulfur dioxide. After the reaction, it is colorless and it has a pungent irritating odor. The melting point of this sulfur dioxide is undefined, whereas the boiling point is minus 10.4 degrees Celsius. Here 4 moles of sulfur plus 4 moles of oxygen will get sulfur dioxide 4 moles. So this is the combustion reaction, in which it is the reaction between two substances, usually including oxygen, and it is accompanied by the generation of heat and light in the form of flame. So this is all in this class. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to the Podi Academy.